In the morning again. And the next beauty location. On display, you can't really see it yet, sky is very early. Sun just coming out. Beautiful morning. Don't know where I'm going. I'm just see this place and me decide to take a stroll. Very beautiful place. Very nice scene. Yeah, let's go walk. Morning walk. And this blog again. This blog is a morning blog. It's not my normal exercise walk in the morning. It's just new adventure. Yes, my people. Cool in the morning too. Very cool in the morning. If you can see me. Cool in the morning, you know. See about boo-boo come out of my nose. Brush teeth and wash face already, you know. Alright. See enough for me. Round back. This way. Tarzan. Me and Tarzan up on this stroll, you know, because you don't know. Jack. Now take them. Now take this journey. Yeah man, I reach up now where yet. Me just I walk from down there so you can see it. Where the sun is shining from that angle. I don't know how the view gonna look. But it's really nice. Got like a walk place going down there. So. Stars on a leg or something there, so. I'm gonna wear, look, I'm not even wear the right trainers, you know. Just wear these one because this wasn't planned to come this place here. I'm just a walk, a drive, not a walk, a drive and see this place. And say, what? A beautiful place. I have to take a look. You don't know, you go. See a beautiful natural nature. I have to take a look. Make you guys see what's going on all over the world. Yeah, man. It's cool. I found it this morning though. Feel the coolness on my back of my throat. I don't feel it. Soon as you get warm, warmer to better. But you know what happened? I would like to tighten the trousers. More people, I'm sure. See, like, it's a chop off of me. Check this out. Nice sunrise. Nice sunrise in the morning. In the morning. Oh. Yes, my friend. My good friend. You can see that it's cold, cause look. The people are ice that, you know. Ice that turn. So far and cold. The sun is not seeing it. Yeah, man. But it soon get back to spring. Spring is not so cold. Freezing still in, but not like now. Nice view, people. Look. Nice view. Love these things. Love this view, man. It's breathtaking. Let's look. Nice to give you a drone shot, but so it's not allowed. Not allowed here. You get yourself in trouble. People think that you're flying drone to spy on them property. I think it's a government issue thing, really. And I think it's a surveillance. Nice view over there. Oh. And we're going up in the hills, having a walk up in the hills here. Up in the mountain here. But nice to get a drone shot to see exactly how beautiful this place is. But I can't. Sorry about that. You guys soon start to get some better contact. What? No, this is Great Britain. This is Great Britain. No, not Spain. Nobody has said Spain now. One thing, you know, it's cold, people, and the wind where I blow, but it got to make you guys see this view. Yeah, really. But it's cold, and then the breeze where I blow, freezing. Remember me tell you, might look like a nice sunny day, which it is, sunny and beautiful, but you're driving your car, have your heat on. Yeah, it feels like a nice sunny day. Maybe you guys are watching it on the device. It look like a nice sunny day. Yes, it is, but it's not like what it look like. You feel it. It's freezing this morning. Tarzan don't mind. You know Tarzan? You don't mind it freezing. Yeah. My first time. People may have a lot of place where I go visit where you guys all get lots of lots of good things to watch all over the place. You know? They're coming to you soon. Coming to your living room or in your palm or your hands very soon. Yeah, just give it a little time. You're gonna see some nice views, some nice place that we can reason and talk about topic about Anything you guys want to talk about, we talk about it. In a good way though. No disrespectful to no human being or animals or nothing. We just have a good growing up conversation. We're gonna agree to disagree and disagree to agree with one of them. Okay? Yeah man. We don't have to fight and war and use abuse each other. We're sorry for after. Just have a grown up reasoning conversation. Okay? But anything you want to talk about, what's going on? Yeah. Cause you don't know it's Brainstorm. There's your boy Brainstorm. Very beautiful up here, but freezing cold. And I have to know where beside me I came from because I don't know this place. The first time I see this place just like you guys. First time. It's really nice. This wasn't planned for nothing. Was going to a different location, and then for some reason, to be honest, I discovered this place. No, it's not me discover it, but I find myself at this place. I want a wee. Yes, I want a wee, and I stop the car. I was going to a different location. I'm stop the car, me and Tarzan, to get a wee. I'm like Tarzan want a wee too. So we come out, which you know you can't really wee on the roadside here. With a car a pass and then something. So we go in there, just try to use the wild nature, do my thing. And then I see this. So what? A nice view in the morning, very cool, you know, but really nice. So we plan to go on different location to find this place. It's really nice. Tarzan, what boy say? But I don't have no gloves, and people, my fingers, they're freezing. Freezing. It's breathtaking. It's beautiful. Imagine you wake up to this man. I don't think you don't need this ocean, but just imagine there's no ocean around this side. Just imagine you wake up to this in the morning, in the summer morning. It's nice. Even winter too, because when it's snow, you know, and everywhere white, it still look nice over there. Pure ice over there. If it do snow, I'm gonna catch that for you guys. But maybe that's a global warming. Maybe no snow this year. The forest not ticking, and it's not really. It's not a park, really. It's just. And all the leaves come off the tree, so everywhere it's clear. You can see all over. All over. cow over there. Cow field. In Jamaica we call it cow pasture. Most of the cows and sheep up in this path. But I like this place than Twin. Populated with a lot of people moving around, you know? Sometimes people catching your video. The next thing you put your video out on YouTube, and the next thing people think that your video isn't them to put on YouTube. So that's why I like to go in there. That's one of the things. I like the one. So maybe that's my excuse. She said, I like it. I said, it's the people because I like it too. I love it. To watch. So it goes, nothing don't come easy. Now left me now. Not leaving. Go get your passport. You can't travel, man. I think you're leaving gonna wait. This side. Don't think that video is going to be too long. Don't get close. When we reach there, I'm still gonna go to my next location. I'm still gonna go to my normal location that I was going into, cause we'll just have to see this. It was just sorry about that. Them start burn with a blowout on skirt. Start burn. See guys, holy see the guy they die, but they're not dying. So what we need to do? These trees in the spring, the summer, you see these trees, I believe. Watching the element. Freezing period. Like this, wouldn't suffer. Over, really at the view. So we come up that way and end up this way. Yes. We should going down, we're going up. In Boise. Come on. It cool. I just want to reach down back. Beautiful and everything, but breeze. And I break my hand. My hands bearing the blunt and the coolness. I'm not having the gloves, so to get some gloves. Back of my throat feel dry. Here when I'm singing a tune this morning, we start them was outside. Freezing cold, my friend. All the way. Over the side here. We go this side, Tarzan. We can come from this side. Look like we lost up in the bush, Tarzan. We're not really lost, we're just not walking the same place where we walk. So, here we go. Down there. You see what we do? We walk at a different place. Come down. You know, Tarzan? We walk totally different place. To lead the back. Don't worry, guys. I don't lost. Just have to circle. I think we come down this place here. Walk here. Just have to walk back this way. Come, Boise. That's Tarzan, you know. So I call him Boise sometimes. My son call him like that, Boise, so name just stick one in too. It's hero name for him, Boise. Uh-oh. anything touch your hand, it come like it hurt you even more. So it freeze me, and then my finger them freeze like literally frozen. Yo Tarzan, wait for me, don't worry, go down there, that side. Tarzan, wait. We don't walk the same place, but we end up back at the same place. Oh, that sound. Coming up all the way from up there. All over. And we down back. And the front. So we end up down this side. Tarzan? Tarzan? Hey boys, come, wait here. You wait here, because down there is the road, main road. And then I don't want you to. You don't know the difference. Come on, come. Come here, boysy. We're going on the main road now, and you're quite clever enough, but then again, prevent is better than cure people, so when you go on the main, Tarzan, come. When you go on the main, this guy is a man like this way. If you see all the people not like you, we chase it, so when you go on the main, me like to have this put on this color. Because prevent is better than cure. Yeah? And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll give it a thumbs up. Grow the channel, because a young channel, as you can see. But trust me, I have load in store for you guys. Load in store. Yeah? Yeah, man. Brainstorm again. And see you soon, guys. Back on the street again. Back on the street again.